Hey there, I'm Erica Jones from TeamBuildDownline.com, and in this video series I want to talk about an amazing book called How Rich People Think. Author Steve Siebold spent nearly 3 decades, 30 years, interviewing millionaires around the world to find out what separates them from everyone else, or more precisely, what separates them from you. And surprisingly, it has very little to do with money, but it's about their mentality. And in these videos, I'm going to lay out 21 ways rich people think differently than the rest of you. So let's get started. Average people think the road to riches is paved with formal education. Rich people believe in acquiring specific knowledge. Many of the financial elite have very little formal education. Instead, they've gotten rich by gaining and oftentimes selling specific knowledge. The masses are convinced that the master's degrees and doctorates, they're the way to wealth. Mainly because that's the way they've been taught. They're trapped in this linear line of thinking, and it's simply holding them back. See, the wealthy aren't interested in the means. They're only interested in the end. So if you're ready to stop thinking like the broke and start taking action like the rich, you need to get in contact with us. We work with a team of international entrepreneurs that have not only changed their mindset towards money, they're following our simple 4-step system to put more of it in their bank accounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.